For rectangular large format porcelain tiles, we recommend a grout joint width that balances structural movement, edge variation, and aesthetic intent. For most installations, a 3/16 of an inch grout joint is a strong starting point because it accommodates typical size variation and allows room for thinset compression without creating visible hairline cracks. Measure multiple tiles across several boxes to calculate actual dimensional variation before setting a pattern. If variation exceeds 1/16 of an inch, increase the joint to 1/4 of an inch to prevent lippage. Always consult and follow the tile manufacturer and mortar manufacturer recommendations for allowable joints and substrate movement joints, so warranties and performance align. Avoid running board or staggered patterns with more than 1/3 overlap between courses because excessive offset concentrates stress and increases the chance of uneven grout lines and lippage. Use a properly mixed polymer-modified thinset applied with a back buttering technique on large format tiles to ensure full coverage and minimize voids under the tile. Keep spacers in place until the thinset has reached initial set and use a firm float when grouting to compact grout into the joint and reduce shrinkage. Common problems include hairline cracking from undersized joints, which you fix by increasing joint width to at least 3/16 of an inch and checking tile variation before installation. Another issue is lippage caused by incomplete mortar coverage, solved by back buttering, using the correct notch trowel, and performing a tactile check for full contact as you lay each tile. A third concern is visual inconsistency from excessive running board overlap, corrected by limiting stagger to no more than 1/3 of the tile length or switching to a straight joint pattern so joints align and read consistently. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides resources specific to tile installation decisions, so we can find professionals familiar with large format porcelain practices. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share installation tips, ask questions, and help contractors find work through visibility and homeowner engagement.